Are you wondering how to upload a video to YouTube and optimize it for SEO? In this video, I'm going to show you the best and fastest way to upload a video to YouTube and optimize it for SEO to get more visibility and reach out to your target audience on YouTube. So let's dive right in. So first of all, we're going to head over to this camera and we click upload video. And then we're going to have the video ready for uploading. We just drag it and drop it. And there you go. So at this stage, I don't like to do anything else. I just neglect all of these options and features. I just head down to no, it's not made for kids. If you're not making videos for kids or cartoons, for example, that's your go-to. And then we click next. We also neglect all these things. And now, as you see, YouTube is checking your video if it has any copyrighted content. And if you're sure that there isn't any copyright issues, just move on with next. And this is so important for all creators because you don't want to mess this up. You don't want to click public right away. Just want to click private until you optimize your video for SEO. And then we head over to content. And the first thing I do is just look at the title. So here's the title: most exhausting problems YouTubers have and solutions. And I usually like to put it between parentheses. All researchers prove that when you put parentheses in your title and keep your title short and sweet, it usually gets people to read it faster and then click on your video to watch it. And make sure that your video title is less than 60 characters. And then the next thing I do is just upload my thumbnail. Here's my thumbnail and add the video to a playlist. Adding a video to a playlist is crucial for your SEO optimization because when people watch your playlist, they get to binge watch your video till the end and watch other videos as well. And that gives a signal to YouTube that you have more session time, and then the algorithm pushes your videos towards more and more people, and that gets you more results. And then we go to the video tags. And unlike so many people, I don't really think that putting so many tags is gonna play any huge role in getting your videos in front of other people or so many people on the platform. Keywords are more of an indicator to what your video is about. So if the content of your video is usually misspelled, people mistype it when they're looking for it, this just helps people get closer to your content. But the most important thing is the title and the thumbnail. And that doesn't mean that you shouldn't put any tags, but if there's anything to obsess over, it should be your title and your thumbnail. And of course, the content of your video. So think about how your audience think when they're trying to find your content. For this video, for example, I'm gonna put something along the lines of tips and tricks for YouTubers. How to upload a YouTube video fast. How to upload a YouTube video quickly. And the list goes on. And when you're done with all these tags, I think it should be up to 12 or 13. It depends on the length of your tag. You should put the name of your channel in the end. And then we're gonna scroll down there to see the license of the video. Standard YouTube license mean that people are not gonna be able to use your content or react to it on their channels. But if you want them to be free to do so, you should select Creative Commons. This allows people to react to your content and use it on their channels, and everything's gonna be fine. They're not gonna have any copyright issues. Then after putting the title, the thumbnail, the tags, and all the other stuff, you should write a few lines about the content of your video so that people can read it before they watch it. The first two lines of your description should aim for your target audience to click on your video to watch it. And it also helps the algorithm to know what your content or what your video is going to be about. Feel free to put as many keywords as possible in your description. Now we're going to put a little bit more thought into the description. So I do have a template for my description that I added from time to time, and you should do so as well. And this is it. Visit our website. We have the website URL so that people on the channel can go to our website and check it out. And also I have other links to some previous YouTube videos. And in the end of your description, you should let people know what your channel is about, what kind of content are you making, and anything else that's related to your channel. And then I'm gonna delete these hashtags, and I will try to choose the hashtags the same way as I did with my tags. So I'm gonna think of the ways my audience would think of when they're trying to see my content. Something along the lines of problems on YouTube, how to be successful on YouTube, how to get more views, and the list goes on. And then we get to end screen. We click element and we choose video and then choose specific video. And we're gonna pick a video that's gonna be closely related. We click on element, then video. and then we're gonna pick a video that's gonna serve our channel better. We're gonna get more session time on YouTube by doing this trick. So in the end of this video, I was talking about YouTube Shorts and why you should get started on Shorts. So it makes sense to put this video in the end of my video so that people can go watch it and it can get more session time. Let me show you. After you figured out all these issues, what you should do next is use YouTube Shorts. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do it perfectly well to improve your views and subscriber counts. So I'll wait for you right there. And then so many people make the mistake of adding so many cards into the videos. This is actually not gonna help you, because even if people are gonna click it, it's gonna get them to stop watching your video and then go watch another video. And that's not actually the goal of your video. You put in the hours to get people to watch this video, not to click away. So by doing this, you're actually doing yourself a disservice. So whether not use it at all or just keep it in the end of your video. And the last thing you should do is to schedule your video. So if you're not gonna post it right away, which is not really advisable, I think you should schedule it for the day next, so that if you come up with a new idea or something comes up with your schedule, you know when this video is gonna be out there on your channel automatically. So, and then you click done and save the video. And that's how you can upload a YouTube video and optimize it. So I wanna let you know that if the thumbnails and the titles don't work well in the first 24 hours and you don't get the momentum that you usually get on your channel, feel free to change them right away and experiment with something different, because this is what 99% of all YouTube channels do. There isn't one size fits all kind of template of thumbnails that works for all videos. You should experiment and try as many thumbnails as possible to know what works best for your channel and what gets your audience to click your videos more often. And if you want to learn more about search engine optimization, I made a whole video about it. So if you click the screen, you're going to watch it right now and you're going to get your videos to rank first on YouTube.